got it. Ah, it came out. Damn it. Yep.
Just the drag line.
I'm trying to set that little snap ring at the bottom, man. It's kind of it's a little tricky.
Yeah, but you know, they're
usually the veterans one.
That's what it is.
That one's down the way. That one is down the street. What, like 12 or
11? Yeah,
I got it.
well, they changed the Meriwether. As of right now, I thought we were going to your house on the 12, and it was on. It was 11:20.
Check it out. Yeah, I can't do it. I gotta work that day. I gotta work that and Thanksgiving.
I got it. You know what I'm doing? I'm pushing in the fronts, the lobes, and then I force the back end so the front does this. Boom.
Got it?
Oh! I hate you! Alright, that little snap ring all the way down there. And let me get a screwdriver real quick. Alright, it's this guy right here. There's a little hole there, a little hole here. It goes all the way around. He's a very difficult little guy to put in. Hence you saw the device and me losing my cool. I'll put a little bit of lube on this, just so we don't destroy the gasket and it slides in a little nicer. A little bit on the gasket. This guy. There we go.
January 9, we start taking out money.
Alright, good.
That guy's out, I thought. I hate that.
I need some more light in general around here.
He's always volunteered to go missing. And so I'm waiting for the school now. But I gotta go tomorrow. Back to Virginia. Really? Yeah, I just got to get 80. As soon as they got married, you know how it goes. The list says it's between me and Ship Shack. So, but right now there's only one school available.
You didn't give me a school. That's why I was telling
Tell them to give you
Mendoza.
AOC.
X-pipe with the cat setup, so you will have cats. Later we'll figure out to see how we get rid of those. For now,
We could do the dummy tubes like fucking Volkswagen did.
oops. Why?
Model? The rear end was